usahanya hehe utakaubutsaela why aita so
Excuse Papa.
usikabutsaruka ukubutsaele hehe mna nobisto utwetsalani liphathele phela kahle ke kupoletse maphosa ka manore ke kopano di a kene ka kwano a tswa ka ba tsari ba tsona Pinagi hanol lang siya na yeso. Toyo. Emma Pin. Paposa, Emma Pin ang yan pala mo. Siya na yeso. Kaya na Emma pala mo na dito. Ko. Pwede pinay na mga gasa mo.
Tuma tu vas porter nos vous bataille. Ma fille, tu vas touch the floor. Okay, the view. Bless the floor. Okay, the view. Touch the floor. Okay, the view. Bless the floor. Yeah. Each and every man has a sankata. Yabaka ubali chele. Haketa ubali chele. Ubata weja lembusan. I'm telling you the truth.
Yano kubwa gani naye?
Stingy men association.
Like it when I know guys. It's a whole lot. I'm a baby and I can't tell maybe the ones about it. Maybe the one who can wait on the weekend. I don't have to do when you say, come home, when you see my yellow baby, I'm close. Say, Mama, I'm so given. I agree with you. Come with her. Harry, come on, you. It's all about the Can I turn into especially ladies? On a serious note, keep up with them, keep up from it. Keep don't get into so what's one, every man, but sending the list on the neighbor. I'm telling you, what's the list on the neighbor? The list on the neighbor. Why can I send the list on the neighbor? Now, why can I send the list on the neighbor? I mean, Runabana. Bana Kereke Abali. Bana Abali, Kereke Rakiman. Ola Basaj. We will follow Bana by Mission. Until we should be letting Masani Haman. You don't know as I link out Kereke. I will go to Mamasad. That is why I said today. When I was saying about today, the slave queens didn't get a position as wife didn't get a position as the slave. Can I repeat that? Slave queen didn't get a position as wife, but Pina Pupilo, but wife, but the benefit of the wife is honor is the slave. And I'm going to tell you why. Basadi today living is slave. One, most of the time we choose our own. One, we choose our wrong. One, we choose our wrong. Can I repeat that? We choose our wrong. So I'm also going to think your destination. Listen, what come over so now in future. How so people back over? Mosadi ufi ya joan. So it's a decision you choose a motor tatile na ubomoye tete bana tatile. Transformer, Moshawi tola ngoro so ni man. So na baba baba. Don't have to for. So na baba hana tena boyfriend and I'm going to tell you something very yeah. And now, do you have a husband? No. Well, what? And now, here's the problem. Okay, because of time, I'm not going to about it. Here's the thing I say about one side. You go back in there. You come right here. I'm going to show you. I can say, getting a deal. I go fight you getting a deal. Okay, if you why you are train? I'm not train. You go for the train. Because they are trying to get right. Okay, I mean. Come on, Pasani Mumangata. Libake. Lina didn't to the Munati. Lina didn't figure out the Munati. Lina didn't Munana, the Munati. You can be a wife. Is this lady because each and every man, each and every man, I mean, each and every man, I see you. One day when we are saying, I got to tell it. I see what you are. How many percent? One night, I can't tell you about you. My right hand woman, how many come aside? Come on, so much. Bala power, I'm sorry. I said about it. Bala power. When I live one now, how? Somewhere, and a mama, the company, not well. What's over there? Satan Fika. How on our Umoke? How on our Umoke? Utopia Hanke, Satan Fika. Don't you change personality high? Don't you change character high? Don't you make sure of the pride? Don't you make sure of Hatala? Don't you make sure of now, each and every man, oh, hell. Ukhala uphila lwena mara afika wena unalili uthozena seka wena sewunguna sawubona ibodi tolerate kakunene kibo mama tsakhathani kibo mama tsakhathani kibo mama tsakhathani kibo mama tsakhathani pride kibo mama tsakhathani kibasa na hawa kibo mama na responsibility na kibasa because mama na hakutatoa sabana see a little Nisana Lisuke, and how the Usuke, Muna Yaka Rata, Muna Yaka Yetam Samwai, Muna Yaka Yetam Ube Waisia High, Abulaka, Santa Africa Senior, personality, Africa Senior, Automotive. Now, how to agree to Harmony Pride, I refer you because of smart. I'm not a point of refuge because respect, because one of our rata. Some of us are how we run our church band. And the moment of one, only Mutley John Kawena, but the dark failure, with a book permanent. So the words are kind of really smart, re-hands and scarecracker, repamele batu, repamele unova chinche, because of smart. Hana wins it, someone. Guys, Basadi an opportunity of Susan. You never give me anyone. Make it toilet divorce. If you are going to hold, you are going to tell can I check in out? Never talk about this, my what this mutant check in out. Now, here's the thing. Or a fella who is one hand. When you pray to only Malika pride, also to Fala. Also, beauty, high permanent beauty of fade. Today, Oka break about Baka, Baka, Hala. Also, must not to Banaba shine a bit crazy. But the problem is, you are not going to be beautiful forever. And now, if you don't feel I'm telling you, if you are talking about I for you. I shaver, I squeezer, I gripiana. What's going Captain Rico, can you come on? Smart, benefit. If when I find in your use that as an opportunity. If that can give you a husband, use that as an opportunity. If you are in beauty, when you listen to expert, use that as your opportunity. Build your marriage, have your home, have your place. But how do you talk about Wednesday? Talk about high.
Especially
Masadi Baba Tachele Lawana. Because Matakina said the rules for the second. Great. Yama singing is growing. Because mostly about you. And 20 minutes, I want to horse who break all the one. You know, say, come around when you know. But 2013. That is cigar. That's a beauty. What beauty? How do you pull I said to my try put a little woman. What's the matter now? Mama, I said it to say. Women on top of somebody can be. So it's like if you have a beautiful, my friend, somebody on the internet, every woman on mark. If you are successful, every woman on mark. Let's stay in your house. keep paying. The more people smart, more people hungry. The friends at the house, they're all around. That is why how the Musani, especially how the Musani, you need to protect your lifestyle because my jealousy, the friend that already jealousy, but what Futani in the Bahala, but what's the next Bahala Noena, was Cavalin needs. Guys, Muluka, the Nyala, or in the best of Patna how Nyala. I come here to put your work. That's what if you have enough of the room, you have enough of the room, they can complain. But I get changed. But I get changed. When you give it this person,
I gotta kill this guy running.
who is this? I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I can't tell you now. I'm not like. I'm not and now, don't remember something. How would you run a boyfriend about your after we enter for things about your do you know why I should number two, automatically will choose it then when that is why I'm young when I do choose it when now the problem again, another problem again, the same person you will choose it then, you choose it then. Come on, the same person. Agree, this person who said that I can't talk about it. Let's say who said that I can't this lady. But who do that way? You come to go and to how you do it. All around the farmer. Having a phone. Having a phone. Take a little. I said, I will forget the man. Come around, away. Or remove push it out. Here's the problem. My son, I need to. Why is Musuan or China Mutian and the Taiki? Mutil China Taiki, how long is the Taiki? But who protect the Taiki? When you have a partner, how's that running a partner? How's that runs? How you are protecting your partner because your partner get Taiki in your heart. Oh, something about that. Let dinner and you can't get this at 10 home. But taking already this person which is doing now take it back. You don't want this of now. You don't want this. But I have. However your partner asks you come up with telling the suit. I'm a competitor, but how I can command it to one thing. People nakonyana mara o ketile go tanga mamela tloela go fana ka banna ba lona ka boyfriend tsa lona ke ketile a tla ke khala fela ke le rapela Pastor, that's much more religion, but you are a man of God. That's much religion about I'm a man of God. I'm someone to is going to work for you, God. I'm a man of God. Modimo wa ka ya phela ke a bere tsenana and ba banga ba tsebore yena ke container fela mara ka ra container ona le content modimo wa ka lokile this just a dress ke di paswa ke di beef mara ka re hona le tlo modimo ka ke rapela batho ba mona hona le banna ba mona hona le basadi ba teng mona ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kriste wa Nazareth modimo wa ka maphelo a bona ke a tseba ba hloka wena ene ke a tseba hona le batho ba tlile mona ba tsebang setswalle sa o le bona ba ntse ba le a good relationship le wena modimo ka ke ba rapela ka lebitso la Jesu ba bang satana ba utsweditse manyalo ba bang satana ba utsweditse ditšhelete ba bang satana ba utsweditse malapa ba bang satana ba hlotile dintho tseo ba neng ba na le tsona ba tsatsile na bosiung bona modimo ka ke restore everything yeo satana na utswitse ke go tlisetsa dintho tsohle ka o fetisisa modimo ka ke rapela meya ya bona ke go tlisetsa go wena ka lebitso la Jesu Kriste wa Nazareta moya go na le ba o ba rata mona go na le ba o ba tsotela go na le ba tseba gore go na le mo ba latileng teng modimo ka le wa ba hlolela fatshe tsatsilena ke ba rapela ke ba pata ka tlasa madi le ka tlasa mollo ke rapela manyalo a bona ke rapela malapa a bona ke rapela di-family tsa bona ke rapela ditoro tsa bona modimo ka ke rapela everything ya bona ka lebitso la Jesu papa re le bona hlolela mohatsane sebaka sena sa Pink House ka lebitso la Jesu Kriste
It's
Letabo Maide. Letabo Maide.
Letabo Maide.
Thank you.
Photo.
Retabile, Retabile, Ramateka.
Thank you so much, guys. I love you. I'm still a friend of God. I'm still a man of God.
Because Shabba DJ, Shabba DJ. Hot